Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today we will write a letter to mother who is worried about your health. Let's get started. Examination hall, city ABC, then write the date and my dear mother. I received your letter a few days ago. I am sorry for not being able to write you earlier because of some uncongenial circumstances. However, now everything is fine. Actually, I was suffering from fever, which was caused by my own negligence. Therefore, I couldn't attend my school for a couple of days. You need not to worry about me. Because the doctor checked me daily and gave me medicine. Moreover, now I am taking care of myself because I have recognized the word of an old saying, health is wealth. In addition, I have changed my daily routine according to this saying. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Furthermore, I feel great pleasure to contact with you again. Finally, I hope it will find you hale and hearty. Pay my salam to all. Your loving son XYZ. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.